Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am SM Moinul Hassan. Today I will present this report on penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. These are the contents of this report. The first one is testing procedures. Second one is issues with high risks. And lastly, I will describe about the remediation of those high risk issues. This is the testing procedure. We'll start from the planning for vulnerability assessment. After conducting the vulnerability assessment, we will generate reports, and after that, lastly, we will review those reports with clients. These are the issues with high risk that we found during the scanning using several tools. The first one is clear text submission of password. Second one is cross-site scripting. Third one is path traversal. And the last one is external redirect. Remediation. Now I will discuss the remediation of those high risk issues. The first one is issue remediation of clear text submission of password. What is it? Applications should use transport level encryption to protect all sensitive communication passing between the client and server. Communication that should be protected include the login mechanism and related functionality, and any functions where sensitive data can be accessed or privileged actions can be performed. If HTTP cookies are used for transmitting session tokens, then the secure flag should be set to prevent transmission over clear text HTTP. Number 2, issue remediation of cross-site scripting. How to do it? Filter input or on arrival. At the point where user input is received, filter as strictly as possible based on what is expected or valid input. Encode data on output. Need to use appropriate response header. Context secure policy. As the last line of defense, we can use content secure policy to reduce the severity of any cross-site scripting vulnerabilities that still occur. Number 3, issue remediation of path traversal. We need to use indirection, need to segregate our documents. Hosting documents on a separate file server or file partition or in cloud storage is a good idea too. Need to summarize file name parameter. Need to run with restricted permission. And the last one is issue remediation of external redirect. When the set of acceptable objects such as file name or URL is limited or known, create a mapping from a set of fixed input values to the actual file name or URLs and reject all other inputs. That's all about this presentation. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you very much.